If you are living in China and you are a foreigner, then VPN is the must thing that you need to buy, and also prepare this before coming to China, because the most used that site you daily use is blocked in China. And the most used VPN in China is the Express VPN. But some days ago, maybe 1 month ago from today, the China again blocked the Express VPN, and that time the foreigner and every VPN user was facing so much trouble. And now, in those days, is the VPN really works in China? Let's find out. So basically, I personally use ExpressVPN for my personal use, and also for everything that browses the YouTube and anything, and Google or Facebook. But few days ago, I really have some bad experience with ExpressVPN, because China also blocked their server and it was not connecting to their server. So I did check. They also told to use some location, like if I show you the most recommended was the Singapore 4, Singapore Marine Bay, Hong Kong 4, and some other like the UK Wembley and the Canada, and some most they recommend, and they give update every day. So basically, what I found out that time it is very tough, but there was a chance to get connected if you wait for a long time. Like when you click on the connect button and wait for a long time, then it works. But nowadays this problem has been gone, and you need to update your ExpressVPN to the latest server. And the latest server means the latest software that I am now using. Maybe this one is 7 point something, I think. Really don't remember the version name. And the site I recommend, the server is Hong Kong 4 or Singapore Marine Bay. If you use the Singapore Marine Bay for PC, this will be very fast, and Hong Kong 4 if you use for um, using the on phone or PC, both are fast. I prefer to use Singapore Marine Bay. This is so much fast, I think. I show you is this really work or not. So if I you can see now I am not connected to the VPN, and now I am selecting this server, and let's start this. And we need to wait sometimes. It will get connected. Don't be worry, and you need to give some time. You can see it started connecting, and that's it. So you can see this is connected so short time, and this don't disconnect so much. It's just keep connected. If you have the internet connection all the long, and no internet connection goes down, then the VPN will be connected. And if I now show you the Hong Kong server, you can see the Hong Kong connection speed. Hong Kong server is also pretty fast, but for some reason I don't use the Hong Kong server, because if you search on the Google, you will get result based on the Hong Kong, and there are some Chinese properties like Chinese text or something. So that's why I use the Singapore server. This is very good and fast, and you can see the Hong Kong is also connected. So for the last update, according to my view, is ExpressVPN is still out in China, and you can use this without any problem. And I personally using this, and this VPN is really so fast. Any other VPN you use in the Nord or uh, ExpressVPN is the best, I think. If you use Nord or Hotspot Shield or any something other, but ExpressVPN speed is really good, and I personally recommend this. And if I show you the speed on my this server, and I am using Wi-Fi, so might be the speed will be so fast here. So I'm showing you the speed and the fast.com what says. Let's see. I used a dedicated Wi-Fi line, that's why the speed is too fast, I think. And in China this is regular, you can get this much speed, not a big deal. So this is all about internet speed, and if we see the upload speed, now we can see the upload speed here. Let's see. It's running here. So 6.7 Mbps, this is so low. I think in tonight it also goes so fast. Maybe this time the server or the user on this Wi-Fi maybe more, that's why the speed is too low. But I think this speed is enough for any surfing the web or anything. You can check this. So from my view, I recommend to use the Express VPN, and it is still out in China, and I personally using. So I hope you guys this will help you to choose the best VPN, and Express VPN I think is the best choice if you're going to use a paid VPN, but it's a bit costly. So if you need some if you are in China and you are looking for a cheap service of Express VPN, you might let me know in the comment section, or you can check my description to knock me in the WeChat. I can give you a cheaper solution of Express VPN. So I hope you guys like the video. Please if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the video, and let me know any problem in the comment section.